welcome to all of the students an easy online learning program. In my classes today, I will be discuss here about the differentiation. In my previous classes, I have discussed so many things. First of all, I have discussed about simple differentiation, differentiation. फिर हमने इसमें डिस्कस किया चेन रूल डिस्कस किया, फिर हमने इसके अंदर इम्प्लिसिट फंक्शन डिस्कस किए, इम्प्लिसिट फंक्शन, right? Then I have discussed here function to the power function, function to the power of function, power of function. फिर हमने डिस्कस किया इनवर्स फंक्शन, and then I have discussed parametric form. Now all these things I want to discuss from NCERT book. Now I want to sort out certain important problems related to the NCERT book. क्योंकि अगर हम NCERT से नहीं कराएंगे तो आप लोगों की समस्या एज इट इज़ बनी रहेगी. पहले हमने आपको बताया इजी लर्निंग प्रोसेस में हम अपनी तरफ से पढ़ाने की कोशिश करते हैं, तो हम डिफरेंट चैप्टर से कुछ क्वेश्चंस उठाते हैं, फिर हम NCERT पे आते हैं. एक्सरसाइज नंबर 5.4. इसमें 5.4 में मैंने आपको मोस्ट प्रोबेबली क्वेश्चंस को है उसको डिस्कस कर दिया था, लेकिन एक क्वेश्चन आई थिंक is a given here. This is question number 10. Question number 10. This is not discussed by me, and this y is equal to cos log x plus ex. Now here I will be use chain rule. So first of all you will put your hand is like this. So what is this? This is dy by dx. What is the differentiation of this is sine, and this is log x plus e to the power x. Now I will be differentiated dy by dx log x plus ex. So I can say dy by dx is equal to minus sine log x plus e to the power x, and here is the differentiation 1 by x e to the power x. So this is, I think, is a not problem for all of you. Now try to do question number 9. 9 भी शायद मैंने नहीं किया था, काफ़ी क्वेश्चंस तो इसमें मैंने आपको कर दिए थे. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, the question number 9 says y is equal to cos x upon log x. So here I will be use quotient formula. So this is dy by dx is equal to log x square. Here I will be write down log x, and integration of this is minus sin x minus cos x as it is. It will come 1 by x, right? So its LCM will be x. So here will be log x into minus यहाँ ले सकते हैं, this is sin x, here is cos x, और जो फिर नीचे लिखा हुआ है उसको हम एज इट इज लिख सकते हैं. दिस इज नथिंग बट इज द डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ दिस. सो ये क्वेश्चन मैंने आपको एक्सरसाइज 5.4 completely already discuss कर दी थी. Now I want to select certain question from 5.5. 5.5 इसमें से भी मैंने आप लोगों को काफ़ी क्वेश्चंस कर दिए थे, but there is certain important questions related to it. Suppose this is given question number 6. Question number 6 I think I have not done. So this is y is equal to x plus 1 by x to the power x plus x to the power 1 plus x to the power. This is the question. I think it is not a problem for all of you. This question is a lengthy but not so typical one. You will suppose it u and you will suppose it v. This is dy by dx. This is du by dx, and this is dv by dx. Right? Now this is suppose first question. So here you will suppose this is u is equal to x plus 1 by x to the power x. So you will take its log. U is equal to x log, इसका एलसीएम ले लेंगे, इसको एलसीएम ले लेंगे या ऐसे ही रखेंगे तो मुश्किल हो जाएगा. एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1 बाई एक्स. दिस यू कैन राइट डाउन. सो दिस इज व्हाट log u, this is x, so this can be write down as x square plus 1 minus log x, right? This can be write down x log x square plus 1 minus x log x. Now you will use here a product formula. So this can be write down like this. So here also you will use product formula. Here also you will use product formula. And this is, remember, this is your first equation. Now how I will be differentiated? This is 1 by u du by dx. Now first function as it is, second ka differentiation x square plus 1. This is equal to 2x plus log x square plus 1, x का differentiation 1 हो जाएगा. Now how I will be do this one? This is x as it is 1 by x, right? Then you will put plus sign is there. This is log x, x का करेंगे 1 और minus से multiplied करेंगे तो this is minus, this will remain same. So I can say this is du by dx is equal to 2x square plus 1 plus log x square plus 1 minus log x, right? This is nothing but is the differentiation of first part. Now, how I will be sort out another remaining portion of this question. This is given x, यानी कि v is equal to x to the power 1 plus x. This is given. Now, first of all, you will sort out with the help of log. So, taking log both the side, log v is equal to 1 plus 1 upon x log x, okay? Then you will sort out algebraically. This is x plus 1 by x log x. Now you will use product formula. So this is v, this is dv by dx. The first function as it is. This is x. What is this? This is, now another is log x here, and it is multiplied. You will use here x square, x as it is, x को differentiate करेंगे 1 आ जाएगा. Then you will put minus sign is there, right? Then you will write down x plus 1 into 1. So this is your differentiation. So I can say dv by dx, this is v, and v is equal to what? 1 plus 1 by x. So this can be write down as x plus 1 upon x square. And this thing can be write down as log x. Here will be x square. This is x minus 1. So this will be cancelled out. These whole two values you will put in equation number first. So I think it is not a problem for all of you. You can solve yourself also, right? This question is lengthy but not so typical. It is easy to sort out your problem. फिर मैंने क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 भी डिस्कस कर लिया था, 8 भी. Now come on question number 11. It is a little typical question for you. Question number 11, exercise 5.5, question number 11. Question number 11 is y is equal to x cos x to the power x, I think. Yes. Then plus x sin x. This is 1 by x. This is not a problem for all of you. So you will suppose this is u and this is v. Taking differentiation dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. This is your first equation. So I will write down here dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. This is your equation number 1. Now, how I will be sort out my problem, and I have supposed this is u and this is v. First of all, I will try to find out the u. What is u? U is equal to x cos x to the power x. X cos x to the power of this. I will take its log, taking log both the sides. So I will say u is equal to x log x, x log x cos x, right? So I can do it either by using the log property here or remain as it is. Both ways I can do it. This is 1 by u du by dx. So first function is as it is. What is the differentiation of this is cos x. Now I will be differentiated with the help of product rule. First function as it is sin x plus cos x as it is, or this is one. This can be write down as like this. Similarly, if I say this is log x cos x, so what will be the differentiation of x is 1. I will put this value in equation number first, right? So this is also not a problem for all of you. Now I try to do the remaining part of it. आपने du by dx निकाल लिया, अब आपको निकालना है dv by dx. This is, you have suppose here x sin x and its power is, I think, 1 by x. Now taking log both the side, log v is equal to 1 by x log x sin x, right? Now either I can do it by quotient rule, so I think quotient rule will be easy. It is not typical for all of you. So taking differentiation 1 by v dv by dx. So here I will use quotient rule. X square is there, this is x. Now differentiate it. This is 1 by x sin x. Now I will be use here product rule in this one. First function as it is, second का differentiation cos x plus sin x as it is, x का 1 हो जाएगा, right? This x can be cancelled out by this. Now this is again minus log x sin x, right? Now I will be simplified it. This is dv by dx. v आपका यहाँ आ जाएगा, तो हम इसको लिख सकते हैं sin x to the power 1 by x. तो here is LCM sin x, right? X square as it is remains same, so this can be write down as x cos x plus sin x, right? Here will be minus sin x log x sin x, right? So both value you will put here in equation number first, right? So this is a simple question for all of you. Definitely it is a lengthy question but not typical for you. जो बाकी क्वेश्चंस थे वो लगभग मैंने आपको इस एक्सरसाइज में सभी डिस्कस कर दिए थे. पैरामेट्रिक फॉर्म में भी मैंने आपके काफ़ी क्वेश्चंस करा दिए थे. एक्सरसाइज 5.7 में भी आपके काफ़ी क्वेश्चंस हमने सॉर्ट आउट कर लिए थे. देयर इज़ नो प्रॉब्लम. नाउ e to the power x inverse function. I think there is no problem related to. Now I try to do some question related to exercise number 5.2. Not so typical, very basic and very simple. Exercise 5.2. This is question number 4. Y is equal to sec tan root x. So I will use a chain rule here. Suppose this is sec. So dy by dx is equal to sec tan root x, फिर tan आएगा tan root x, राइट। फिर हम इसको छुपा लेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा sec स्क्वायर रूट एक्स, फिर हम इसको, तो दिस इज व्हाट 2 root x. So it can be done with the help of chain rule. Now see question number 7. Question number 7 from your book, how I can be sort out it. See question number 7 from your book. This is y is equal to 2 root cot x square, right? So you can write down it 2 cot x square to the power half. तो मैंने आपको बताया था कि कहीं पर भी रूट में आ जाए तो आप उसको डायरेक्ट लिख सकते हो. 2 is a constant, it will come outside, so I will be write down 2 root cot x square. अब हमें किसका करना है? cot x स्क्वायर का. cot x का क्या होता है? माइनस cosecant square x square. Then what is the differentiation of it is? It is equal to 2x. I think it is also not a problem for all of you. See the question number 6. हम इसमें यही वही क्वेश्चंस कर रहे हैं जो हमने आपको नहीं कराए हैं. बाकी मोस्टली मैंने आपको क्वेश्चंस करा दिए हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, y is equal to cos x cube dot sin square x 5, right? For the time being you can say this is equal to this. So here you will be use product rule as well as substitution or chain rule. So there is a 2 function, one is this and other is this. फिर वही लिखेंगे taking differentiation both the side and you will take its differentiation. This is dy by dx. So this is your first function is as it is. This is cos x cube. Now differentiate it. This is 2. इसको आप x suppose कर लोगे. तो this is sin x to the power 5, right? फिर आप इसको छोड़ दोगे तो इसको डिस्कस करोगे. This is cos x to the power 5, right? Now you will do it 5x square, okay? फिर plus you can write down sin x to the power 5 as it is. अब आप cos का करोगे तो क्या आएगा, माइनस sin x to the power 3, फिर x to the power 3 का करोगे तो आएगा 3x square, right? This value can be write down as sin 2x formula, 2 sin a cos a. So this can be re-represent by another formula. This is sin 2x की power 5, या आप उसको वहाँ पर भी छोड़ सकते हैं. This is 5x4, right? And here will be minus sign, so I can write down here x to the power 5. This is sin x to the power 3, and this can be write down as 3x square. This is nothing but it is your differentiation of सिंपल फंक्शन. बाकी सारे क्वेश्चंस मोस्ट प्रोबेबली मैंने आपके इसमें डिस्कस कर लिए हैं ऑलरेडी. नाउ आई वांट टू कम ऑन योर एक्सरसाइज नंबर 5.3. I have discussed all the questions from your NCERT book. So till exercise number 5.4 I have completed here. Now I want to discuss another important question related to the NCERT. It is a very good question and important question from your example of NCERT. This is y to the power x plus x to the power y, x to the power y, and this is x to the power x, this is x to the power x, and this is a to the power b, a to the power b. So you will sort out, और फिर उसमें क्वेश्चन में लिखा हुआ है फाइंड dy by dx. तो अब आप इसको अगर आप सॉल्व करेंगे तो आप थोड़ा सा घूम जाएंगे कि इस क्वेश्चन को कैसे करें. तो पहले इस क्वेश्चन के बारे में सोचिएगा कि ये क्वेश्चन किस टॉपिक से है. आई थिंक यू नो दिस इज फंक्शन टू द पावर फंक्शन. इसमें भी फंक्शन टू द पावर फंक्शन है, इसमें भी फंक्शन टू द पावर फंक्शन है, इसमें भी, और ये कांस्टेंट है तो इट डजंट ए प्रॉब्लम. So you will sort out this problem with the help of function to the power function. So you will use here process of function to the power function. So you will put it here u, you will put it here v, and you will put it here w, and it will be remain same. फिर आप लिखेंगे taking differentiation, both the sides. So ये क्या हो जाएगा आपका du by dx plus dv by dx plus dw by dx, and this is equal to 0. So this is your equation number first, and so I write down here because in last I will put its value dv by dx plus d dx is equal to 0. This is your first equation, right? तो सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे, इसमें निकालेंगे कि फर्स्ट कैसे सॉर्ट आउट करते हैं. तो फर्स्ट क्या हो गया आपका, u इज इक्वल टू एयर y to the power x. You will take its log both the sides, so this can be write down as log y. So this is 1 by u du by dx. This is first function as it is. Second function का differentiation. This is dy by dx plus log y and x का 1 होता है, right? So this can be write down as du by dx, and here is y to the power x, x upon y dy by dx plus log y, right? So this value you will put here. This question will definitely become lengthy but not so typical, right? तो ये वैल्यू आपकी निकल गई. अब आप इसमें क्या करेंगे, नेक्स्ट पार्ट करेंगे x to the power y. So v is equal to x to the power y. So we can say this is dv by log लेंगे पहले इसका, log v is equal to y log x. So this is 1 by v, this is dv by dx, first function as it is. Second का differentiation, फिर second function as it is, dy by dx. So this is dv by dx is equal to v. So this can be write down as y by x. In place of v, I will write down this plus log x dy by dx. So this is the value of dy by dx, right? So this is the nothing but is the differentiation of v function. Again the remaining w you have suppose here, w x to the power x, w. So this can be write down with my experience. This is the dx, this is 1 plus log x will be the answer. All these value I will put in this equation, and then I will be find out the value of dy by dx. This is a very good question and may be asked in your examination related to NCERT book. I want to see another question related to NCERT. I think there is no problem. I have sorted out all of the problem. 5.5 के भी मैंने लगभग सभी क्वेश्चंस आपको करा दिए, और क्वेश्चन 5.6 भी हो गई आपकी. Now I want to try, this is also an important question. This is exercise number 5.5, and this is the most important question. This is why root a sine inverse t. This is sine inverse t. No, this is cos inverse t. This is cos inverse t. And here is another a to the power sine inverse t. These are the two part is given, and is interested to find out dy by dx is equal to minus y by x, right? So how I will find out it? I will use here simply parametric form. So first of all, I will write down dy by dt. This is root a to the power cos inverse t. Now, what is the differentiation of a is a constant, and what is the differentiation of it is equal to root 1 minus t square. This is the differentiation of dy by dt. Now, what about the dx by dt? This is 1 upon 2 root a to the power sine inverse x. So this is, I will write down, this is the power, so this will be remain as it is like this, right? Now, if I am interested to differentiate it, this is a to the power x, so this is sine inverse t, and differentiation of this is 1 minus t square. So this is the differentiation of dx by dt. Now what is dy by dx is equal to dy by dt into dx by dt, and I will put its respective values here. A to the power cos inverse t upon 2 a to the power cos inverse t, and here will be 1 minus t square. Okay, and this is dx by dt, so it will be, I think, convert to root a to the power sine inverse x. This is 1 minus x square, and this is what I can say, this is a to the power sine inverse t. So this will be cancel out by this. ये क्या हो गया, इसमें कैंसिल आउट हो सकता है, तो व्हाट विल बी द रिमेन here? So this can be said as dy by dx is equal to this will cos inverse t. So 2 will be cancelled out here. So here will be remain. In this question will be, this is cos inverse root a to the power cos inverse t, and here will be root a sine inverse t. After solving, after discussing your problem, the remaining portion of this differentiation will be this. And what is this? This is your y and this is your x. So it means you have find out your result. As you are interested to prove where dy by dx is minus, so here dy by dx is equal to, so this is your problem. So all the problem related to the NCERT I have discussed here. It means it is your completion of differentiation. So thank you very much for your concentration.